Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Crow Daily NG. I am Faith Ekwari. Well, every Nigerian go out there to find something to put on their table and feed their families. That is why Crow Daily is outside, going and checking people's lives that are out to change the quote and unquote narrative of the lazy Nigerian youth. Well, I'm out here at Barbie Black's store and she's going to be telling us what she does and what her hustle is. Don't go anywhere, stay with me. You are still watching Your Hustle.
My name is Ojora Motsurayo. I studied business administration in Moshood Abiola Polytechnic. I finished year 2018 and served last year. And I decided to start my business in Lagos early last year. Yes, I would really love to work with a business firm, but seeing how Nigeria is going, so I felt like business is more enterprising than working with a firm. Like, you get to know the in and out of it, and as good as I am in my field, I feel like setting up my own business, I would have more flexible time. Then there's more gain in it than actually working for a firm. So I decided to set up, and it hasn't been easy, but we thank God all the way. I wouldn't say that I've had all the profits, but at least we are getting there, and it's going to be bigger than this by God's grace. Yeah, starting up this business wasn't easy. Actually, I had the vision, not that the vision to open a beauty store. There was this confusion of what do I want to sell. Then you need to look at your environment. What does your environment speak? What does it lack? So you need to look into that. I had difficulty in choosing what to actually base on. Then gradually, I thought of capital. I needed to save a little bit money. Then I have this vision that I don't want to start small, even not extraordinarily big, but at least make it standard. That is what will that will make you stand out. This is not the only beauty shop in this area, but at least I can say that my shop really stood out. It is outstanding. Then after that, I figured that okay, it's a beauty store. You don't have to stop at hair alone or something. You can actually add every beauty product to it. So I do creams. In fact, I'm into organic. I attached a little of other things to it, so that's why it's making it a full beauty store. Even when I don't have, you can actually order whatever you want for beauty, as long as it goes in line with my business. If you order, I source for it and I get it for you. So it makes it easy. It makes me very flexible. Then as a business person, don't focus on one way alone. If you have opportunities to diversify, please do. It is business. A good business person should always know when to diversify, what to attach, to know what you don't. One thing in this country and this situation that we are now, one market business or market idea is not enough to feed yourself. Glory to God, I am financially independent. Like, I don't depend on anyone financially anymore. So it is not going to be easy, but you with determination and love for what you do, you are going to make it. You are going to get there. You will not be frustrated, I promise. So I beseech you potential customers out there to please visit us here in Barbie Black store, situated at 31 Road, D Close, Gowon Estate, opposite Edikaiko store. Thank you very much.
My name is Ojora Motsurayo. I am a beautician, and this is my hustle.
Your Hustle is a platform where you can showcase what you do and how you do what you do. If you want to be part of it, all you have to do is follow us on all our social media platforms at Crow Daily NG. Just send us a DM and you might be the lucky person to join in our next episode. I'm going to another location. Follow me, guys.